In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bookmark a thread in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open the Slack application. So go ahead and launch Slack on your device and make sure you're logged into your workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to move on. The next step is to access your threads. Look for the Threads tab located in the left sidebar of your Slack interface. It's usually pretty easy to spot. Just click on that, and it will take you to all the threads you've participated in. Now, you're going to want to select the specific thread you want to bookmark. Take your time scrolling through the list and find the conversation that you would like to save for easy access later. Once you've found it, give it a click, and you should be opened up to that thread's details. Once you're in the thread, look over to the top right corner. You should see an icon that looks like 3 dots. This is your More Actions icon. Click on that to unlock a few additional options. From the drop-down menu that appears, one of the options will be Add to Saved Items. Go ahead and click on that. What this does is effectively bookmark the thread, so it's much easier to find it later. It'll feel like having a special shortcut right there at your fingertips. Now that you've added the thread to your saved items, you may be wondering how to access it later. It's super simple. Just click back over to the left sidebar, and you'll see the Saved Items tab. Once you click on that, there it will be, your bookmarked thread, ready for you to dive back into whenever you need. It's a great way to keep important conversations at the forefront without having to dig through your threads manually. So to recap, open Slack, go to Threads, select the thread you want to bookmark, click on the More Actions icon, and finally select Add to Saved Items. And just like that, you've successfully bookmarked your thread. Using bookmarks in Slack can greatly enhance your productivity, especially if you're juggling multiple conversations or projects at the same time. Plus, it helps ensure that important information doesn't get lost in the shuffle. Now, you can organize your threads in a way that works best for you. Before you go, remember, if you found this tutorial helpful, a thumbs up and a subscription would mean a lot. It allows us to continue creating content like this for you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Slack to